Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Diane from the Elk Grove Village Public Library. Good to see everybody. I hope you had a great day. Today, we're going to make an anti-gravity galaxy in a bottle. So for this experiment, you need an empty water bottle with the label taken off. You need baby oil. This is the baby oil that you need, like this. You can use, this is the Johnson & Johnson, but you can use the dollar store brand, any kind of baby oil. And you need a funnel, and you need glitter, silver glitter, and you need, if you can, I have purple food coloring, but you could use red and blue to make purple, and blue food coloring because we're going to make the nighttime sky. So I've got purple and I've got blue. So the first thing that you need to do, boys and girls, is you're going to take the top off of your water bottle, and you're going to fill the water bottle halfway full with the baby oil. And so I'm going to take the top off, and I'm going to use a funnel to pour that in. So here's my funnel so that you don't have a lot of spills. So I'm going to pour this in halfway so you could see. It seems a little bit greasy, but it's very soft for the skin. It's very good for the babies. Okay, so that's pretty much halfway. Oh, too much. I'm going to pour a little bit back because we said halfway. So I'm going to pour just a little bit back in there, as you can see. Maybe just a teensy bit more. Okay. Now remember, boys and girls, oil and water, they don't mix. They separate. Now the next thing to do for our galaxy in a bottle is we're going to put a teaspoon of silver glitter in there for the nighttime sky. So here is my teaspoon, and I'm going to put this right here into my teaspoon. And I'll use my funnel so then I won't have a big mess. I'm going to use the funnel and put it right through like that. Right on top of the baby oil. Maybe you could put a little bit more. And as you can see, it is floating around. Gravity. It's floating around in the baby oil. Now, the next part of our experiment is we're going to use 8 squirts of the purple for the water. So I will show you right here. So I'm going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I will use 5 squirts of the blue food coloring to make the nighttime sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then I took a little stir. I'm just going to stir that up so it looks very dark and a beautiful sky, purple and blue tint of color. Okay, now I'm going to pour this into my bottle just to the top, so we're going to leave a little bit of room at the top, but I think I'm going to put just a little bit more glitter in. Just a little bit more glitter. Okay, and maybe just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to use my funnel, and I'm going to pour this in. Now remember, I'm just going to put it just to the top. So a little bit more. Remember, oil and water don't mix, so you can see a lot of you can see the nighttime sky, and you can see all you can see the glitter floating around. Now I'm going to take it and I'm going to shake the bottle. I'm going to shake, 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 shake the bottle, and look at your beautiful galaxy bottle, your anti-gravity galaxy in a bottle. So isn't that beautiful? I'm going to shake it again, and look, it looks like the nighttime sky with the stars. And the stars are floating in the oil. That's all you need is water, baby oil, food coloring, and glitter. And I will put this the supplies and how to do this right with this video. Have a great night and thank you for joining in. And here is our beautiful Galaxy bottle. Good night. See you soon, boys and girls.